All right, guys, this is the next video. We're just taking this car out for a fun drive. I'm with Trey right now. We're just gonna drive through some back roads and just talk about the car because I've owned it for 5 months. So I'm just gonna kind of go over my ownership and just as you can see, he's pretty hyped about it. Wait, we're take it right here.
Go straight. Run this. Run. Yeah. Yeah, get in the left. Watch out, a cop does sit up here.
I'm just trying to make sure the camera's straight, but yeah, I'm basically just getting some POV driving footage here for you guys. I just want to make some more raw driving footage for you guys, just to really show off the car, you know, like its capabilities and stuff. So we're gonna take it through some back roads. We're currently on the way there right now. Dude, this thing has crazy like throttle response, man. When you're in sport mode and you're tuned, bro, this thing just, it's so responsive. It's so crazy to me. I'm just gonna talk about my ownership so far. I've had the car for 5 months. Surprisingly, I haven't really had any issues with the car. But then again, it's only been 5 months since I've owned it, you know, and it is a lower mileage vehicle. Oh my goodness, this thing, gosh, I keep forgetting, bro, how quick this car just accelerates in sport mode. It's like kind of crazy. I hope you guys like picked up on that. This car so far for the last 5 months, it's been pretty good to me. I haven't really had any problems with it. I recently lowered the suspension using ODB. It's very subtle, so you can't really tell. It moves for a car this size. This thing weighs like 4,400 pounds, and it moves like crazy. It's a really good luxury car. I mean, it has a ton of trunk space in the back. The only thing I could really say that I don't really like about this car is the amount of body roll I have. It has a lot of body roll. Like, I don't feel confident in the corners at all with this thing, like not one bit. And I don't know if that's maybe because, you know, I don't have the sport seats. You know, I know with sport seats that you feel a little bit more planted and grounded in the corners because you move around, your body moves around a lot less. So it could be that. But this is stock suspension, so I still gotta, you know, upgrade the suspension components. There's a bunch of different things you could do to make these cars handle better and feel a lot more planted around the corners. And so that's basically what I'm trying to do next. It's not confidence inspiring at all, but when you're in like a straight line, this thing will eat bumps, it'll eat potholes. It's one of the best road trip cars you could ever have if you go on a long road trip. And it's like it's an Autobahn missile. It's like a highway car, basically. I mean, you can overtake people so easily, and it just has so much torque, and it just throws you back into your seat. You're just like glued into it.
And then you're gonna take it.
That was a Lotus, I think.
Man,
that thing is crazy.
You're gonna take a.
That was a Lotus, I think.
Man, I heard that shit broke my fucking neck. God.
Oh shit.
God, this car is so fun.
Yeah.
God, this car is so fun.
Oh my goodness.
It's like Forza, bro.
Dude, yeah.
It literally is like Forza right now.
Wow.
All this greenery, bro. There's some back roads in Oregon City too if you want to hit those for more footage. That's a nice house. Yeah, we're in the...
Oh man, this thing just freaking moves. So I'm currently doing a little test on the car in the corners. It does still actually feel great. But you could definitely feel the body roll. I feel like the camera is not doing it justice, bro. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera, but in person it feels pretty extreme. Damn.
It makes you laugh in the passenger. It's like a roller coaster. It literally feels like a roller coaster.
But yeah. Because you can definitely feel the understeer in the corners. Like that one, I just felt it. I knew I had to kind of slow down and take it easy.
I
didn't know it was gonna drop like that.
Look at that house. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Damn.
That was adrenaline laughter. It's gonna drop again.
Yeah.
We fucking take off.
All right, I'm gonna be careful because I can't see nothing in front of me.
Holy
Yeah, that's one of the downsides about this car is it drinks fuel like
Are you
crazy.
already down?
Yeah, it's going down the halfway mark, and I filled it up yesterday.
Oh my
So,
God.
yeah.
Well, that's the V8 twin turbo, bro.
Oh man. Oh shit. Yeah, like this corner, there's a lot.
Yeah, there was a lot of roll.
Yeah, a lot of roll, a lot of understeer. So it's definitely not meant for stuff like this. All right. Man.
Windy roads.
Definitely doing a stress test on the brakes, that's for sure. Yeah, I gotta be super careful over here.
I didn't realize how bad these turns were.
Yeah, I'm not completely flooring it because I also just don't want to kill myself. But I love the low end torque that this car makes because you could just power out of these corners so effortlessly.
That's gonna be
I love the pops, man.
to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Like that could be a blazer, I'm not gonna lie.
Man, this thing is a lot of fun to drive.
Crash.
Whew.
Alright, you can turn around now, Daniel. I don't know where to go now.
I'm gonna let the turbos cool off too, so I'm gonna drive like really, really slow.
I don't know where to go though. I don't know this road.
We gotta go to my boy's house here, but just figured I'd do a quick little drive right now and show you guys what it's like to drive this car through the back roads. And it looks like we still got some fun back roads here, you know. So extremely fun. Man, I gotta be careful here.
I wish it handled corners better since it's all-wheel drive.
Well, it gives it understeers because it's all-wheel drive, and also because it's Audi. But I mean, rear-wheel drive cars in general are gonna handle a lot better.
Alright, we're 19 minutes away.
Okay.
Yeah,
Keep going straight.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's go to your house first. Damn. I love driving this thing, I'm not gonna lie. I can't imagine what this thing is gonna be when I upgrade the turbos on it. It's gonna be crazy. It actually makes the car more reliable, ironically, because the stock turbos on these things fail easily. The cooling isn't super good on this car, stock, and the downpipes clog up pretty easily. And if you're really trying to shoot for serious power, then you're gonna wanna do a ZF swap and get rid of the DCT in this thing, which I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but it is a pretty cheap swap to do. But all that stuff makes the car more reliable, ironically. Modifying this car will literally make it more reliable, because the DCTs apparently can be pretty problematic. And like I said, the turbos fail on here, and so do the cats on these things. They clog up. Man, this thing, it travels to like dude, you're like instantly hitting like highway speeds in the back roads. One thing about this car is it doesn't really lose like a lot of grip. It's quattro, you know what I mean? It like eats the road up so well, you know? And that's kind of the beauty of all-wheel drive, is you're able to just hook up and go. Man, this Honda behind me is on my ass, but it's like I got two other people in front of me. I can't do shit.
He was already at 60, bro.
Yeah, this thing just...
Bro, what the heck?
does not hesitate.
That is so cool.
And the other thing about driving this car is when you're like in manual mode, oh my god, I swear the power and the boost hits harder in manual mode. Like, I know it sounds funny to say, but like, I swear when I'm in second gear in automatic mode versus second gear in manual mode, I swear it feels faster in manual mode. But I could just be tripping out, but I swear the car feels quicker in manual mode. Alright. Jeez.
Bro, that is so freaking fun, bro.
But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like it, and I definitely want to continue making more content, especially the more I modify the car and everything. So yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we'll just continue putting out more content.